Comite Civico joined state officials and conservation groups in celebrating a major milestone at the Salton Sea, the expansion of the Species Conservation Habitat Project. It now covers over 9,000 acres and is the largest constructed wetland at the Salton Sea. This large-scale restoration effort is part of California's 10-year plan. It aims to protect ecological health by creating wetlands that reduce dust emissions and restore vital fish and bird habitats. This inauguration event was attended by key state and local advocates.
This project will suppress dust that is going to limit that dust getting into the air and worsening air quality, so really important for communities. It's also creating thousands of acres of habitat for fish and wildlife.
It's important for the community mainly for the dust suppression that this project is providing. Here we have some of the most emissive area at the Salton Sea.
Comite Civico said the event highlights the importance of continuing to work for both wildlife and nearby communities, reinforcing efforts for environmental recovery and long-term sustainability at California's largest lake. For more information, please visit ccvhealth.org.